so sweet. Drive, drive, drive your car slowly up the hill. Touch your horn if you can see either Jack or Jill. Drive, drive, drive your car slowly on the grass. If you see a grizzly bear, don't be late for class. Drive, drive, drive your car slowly in the town. Wave to people in the circus, look out for the clown. Drive, drive, drive your car slowly by the lake. Stop off at the baker's shop, eat some tasty cake.